So you might be used to getting a paycheck from your employer if you're employed by somebody while doing music. But when you're self-employed, did you know that you really can't just pay yourself in the same exact way as your employer pays you? We're going to cover that today. Before I jump into today's topic, I want to quick remind you to hit that subscribe button so that you get notified whenever we publish new content to this channel. So as the employee of another company that you're using to support your music habit, you probably know that you get your paycheck every week, every 2 weeks, every month, however often your payroll is run at your company. And typically you get what is the net income. The employer uses payroll to take all the taxes, the retirement, the other benefits, that sort of thing out of your check. So what you're getting is not your total income, it's your net income. Now, from your point of view, this is fairly straightforward as the employee because the employer or your employer is running the payroll and doing all of that processing for you. So all you have to worry about is getting the remaining balance. Paycheck. Yay. On the flip side, when you are the business owner, a self-employed musician, any kind of freelance work, the income you make is all of the gross income from fans, from a client, from any kind of service that is paying your referral fees. That stuff is just straight to your bank account. And technically, if you're trying to make sure that you're staying in the clear with the IRS or any kind of tax or legal issues, you're not going to pay yourself that. So what that means is your business should actually be responsible as your employer to take care of those taxes and all the benefit things so that you also get some kind of net paycheck. Now, there's many different ways to handle this, and I'm not going to get into it in detail because I'm not an accountant or a financial advisor. So I would recommend that you talk to somebody that you know and trust locally, if so there's someone in your bank or your own accountant or your own financial advisor who can help. Ultimately, the point of this video is to say be careful with how you pay yourself when you're self-employed because that could get you in trouble at tax time or in different ways throughout the year if you're not watching how you're paying yourself and taking care of your finances properly. Overall, the biggest takeaway I want you to get from this video is this. You need to keep your personal and your business accounts separate. If you're getting paid by an employer and they're paying you the net income, it goes into your personal account. You have your own personal savings, your own personal checking. Taxes were taken care of. If you're self-employed and you're making direct income from PayPal, from fans, from subscriptions, those all go into your business account, and then your business is paying you so that the business can take care of the taxes, similar to how your employer handles your payroll. I know this video might have been a little confusing, a little fuzzy, but mainly because I can only scratch the surface as to this. But the big takeaway is keep your personal and your business separate so that you can properly pay yourself. If you need more information, I suggest reaching out again to your own accountant, your own financial advisor, or your bank for more information. So if you found today's video helpful, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. If you found this information helpful, please hit the subscribe button. You'll be notified whenever we publish new content. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you next time.